Welcome to Veggie Voyage. Join us on a delightful journey through the garden as we discover colorful vegetables. Our adventure begins in the vegetable garden, where rows of plants grow tall and healthy under the bright sun. First, meet carrot. He's orange and crunchy. Next is tomato. She's red and juicy. Here's broccoli. He's green and loves to be eaten in little trees. Say hello to potato. He's brown and can be mashed or fried. Meet spinach. She's green and great for salads or cooking. Next is bell pepper. She comes in red, green, and yellow. Here's cucumber. He's green and crunchy, perfect for salads. Say hello to onion. He's brown and adds flavor to dishes. Meet lettuce. She's green and makes tasty salads. Here's cauliflower. He's white and resembling a fluffy cloud. It's versatile, adding a mild, nutty flavor to dishes. Say hello to peas. They're green and hidden inside pods.
Meet zucchini. He's green and can be grilled or baked.
Here's eggplant. She's purple and can be grilled or used in dishes. Say hello to pumpkin. It's orange and great for pies or carving. Meet turnip. He's white and purple, can be roasted or mashed. And there you have it. 15 delightful vegetables: carrots, tomatoes, broccoli, potatoes, spinach, bell peppers, cucumbers, onions, lettuce, cauliflower, peas, zucchinis, eggplants, pumpkins, and turnips. We hope you enjoyed this veggie voyage.